Animals everywhere, giving up for what I think is peace. Yeah! Hello guys, it's me, Dr. Gaming One, here today with Eker, giving you, I don't know. So we're doing Animal Jam. I don't know why my username is Sonic 4365. I haven't played Animal Jam in a long time. It's kind of blurry, but alright. You know the way we recorded on our Roblox video? Yeah, let's do it like that.
So I go like...
No, like here. Like the way you recorded the Roblox video was amazing. What are you doing?
Peace out.
One nail? I got a nail.
Yeah, this is
No! I could have gotten a diamond! Okay.
So you're a wolf, right?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
It's actually good.
It's like, it's weird that most people are in love with me in this game. Oh. Oh, first even a guide. Awesome. Animal Jam HQ. I want to see.
Oh my god, this is an awesome view.
Yes, that's why I let you record like that.
I need it closer here. Perfect.
I don't know why I look like this. I think this is rare. I don't know. I'm just gonna go somewhere, ask for people to trade me, get some new items, or items I already have. This room is full. Please try again. I don't care. I'm not going there, whether you like it or not. And if that happens, that's gonna be the title. Oh, see? It would let me go. You're liars. Oh. Not the place I wanted to go to.
It's only been 3 minutes.
Really? Oh yeah, really? Really?
Yep.
My gosh.
Now 3 minutes.
Oh. But we shouldn't be worrying about the time.
Yeah.
Okay. My wrist bike is on trade. I don't like people who trade. It's because, like, whenever you trade with someone, they never accept it. Like for me, now I'm going to trade.
Jesse, what do you think?
Hi, I'm Jesse. Deborah. Okay.
If you guys don't know who Jesse is, that he's one of Clement's friends.
It was on our last video.
And what do you think of him?
He's a pretty good surprise. He's really cocky.
I mean, like, what do you think, like, for recording videos?
Oh, not the best.
What about me?
She's pretty good.
Needs boy fuck. Trade me.
Trade me. I want to steal. I want.
He's dancing. What the heck?
That's how foxes dance.
Trade me. If I say yes, I will tell Diamond Code.
Trade me. I want to trade him. I want to trade him. What is it? Chai. You know what? I'm going for it.
Diamond Code. God, yeah. Now tell him.
Wait. Never. Sorry, Alex. Just AFK. Ouch.
Sorry about this. Clement will be back in a short time. Bubbles.
Sorry about that, guys. I have to do something. It's like it's funny. Like I traded you. Okay, this is laggy. Yeah, there's not really any other game that will be blurry or laggy. So I'm gonna go for Super Smash Bros. 2 again. Yeah, that was video ones.
It should be straight up. Let's make it 9. Say it at 9:55. Yeah, I don't care.
Okay, yeah, 9:55. There's nothing. There's really nothing else to do. Like, this is an okay game, but not the best. Yeah, I did some spring cleaning because before my house used to look like a mess. But let's see who's online. No one. Not even my sister. Not even her. She needs to go online.